Hi everyone, I am Bilal Ghori. There's a big news from America. Mr. Zohran Mamdani has single-handedly defeated American establishment and Israel lobby. Mr. Zohran Mamdani won primary and would be New York's next mayor. So political map of New York City is changing and there would be first Muslim and South Asian mayor in New York. But what are his chances? And is he really anti-Israel? Let's dive into it. Israel lobby in America has been such powerful that if any candidate from Democratic or Republican Party denied Jews, it was almost impossible for him to win next elections. But now we are witnessing a miracle. A youngster who openly opposes Israeli policies and supports Palestinians has won the first phase of election. If Zohran Mamdani has his way, Prime Minister of Israel Netanyahu will find himself under arrest by New York police. Mamdani, the Democratic Party nominee and presumed front-runner in the race, has repeatedly said he would arrest the Israeli Prime Minister whenever Netanyahu visits the New York, citing an international criminal court warrant on war crimes charges. Mr. Mamdani was asked during a podcast interview if the phrase globalize the Intifada made him uncomfortable. He declined to condemn it. He came under harsh criticism and later clarified the narrative that he opposes Israeli policy, not Jews or Jewish identity. So here arises a pertinent question that how he made it. Because if we say that Mamdani came from nowhere, there would be no exaggeration. Initially, he was not taken as a serious candidate, rather was declared a spoiler. But Mr. Mamdani showed an ability to connect with the broad electorate and activate new voters by fashioning a program designed to speak directly to their concerns. Mamdani's electoral victory was fueled by skilled campaigns organizing and by his exceptional mastery of social media videos. You would be really amazed to know that he introduced Bollywood films and Pakistan's political culture in his election campaign. There is a popular video by Mamdani where an Indian movie of 1975 has been quoted. In film Devar, film star Amitabh Bachchan says, "I have buildings, property, bank balance, bungalow, car. What do you have?" Shashi Kapoor answers, "I have mother." Here enters Mr. Mamdani with open hands like Shah Rukh Khan addresses his voters and says, "I have you."
भाइयों और बहनों, इस इलेक्शन में सिर्फ 20 दिन बचे हैं और चॉइस मेरे और एंड्रू कोमो के बीच में है। अगर आप पहली बार इलेक्शन के बारे में जान रहे हैं तो ये है जो एंड्रू कोमो ऑफर कर रहा है।
आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंगें हैं, प्रॉपर्टी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है, क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
आप
Later in this video, Mr. Mamdani acts like Pakistan's politician Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and uses his famous slogan, "Roti, Kapda and Makan."
तुमने कभी किसी को वोट किया? आपकी वजह से हमने $8 मिलियन रेज किया है, 6 लाख से ज्यादा दरवाजे खटखटाए हैं और बस इतने करीब है इस शहर का पहला साउथ एशियन मेयर बनाने के लिए। पर बात ये नहीं है कि मैं क्या बनूंगा, बात ये है कि मैं क्या करूंगा हमारे कम्युनिटीज के लिए और हर एक न्यूयॉर्कर के लिए। मैं हमारे शहर को अफोर्डेबल बनाऊंगा। न्यूयॉर्कर्स मुश्किल से अफोर्ड कर रहे हैं रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान। मैं ये सब बदलने के लिए लड़ रहा हूँ। एंड्रू कोमो को रैंक नहीं करता। उसका कैंपेन ट्रंप के डोनर्स के पैसों से चल रहा है। अगर वो जीता तो डीसी के साथ साथ एनवाईसी भी उनका होगा। विश्वास नहीं होता तो खुद उनसे सुनिए कि क्या होगा अगर कोमो जीता तो। बिलियनियर्स के पास ऑलरेडी सब कुछ है, अब आपका टाइम आ गया।
Actually, this slogan is the core of his political narrative. Mr. Mamdani is talking about freezing the rent, making buses free, making universal child care a reality. American President Donald Trump is already against Mamdani, and all his opponents have joined hands to defeat him. The race for mayor in New York City took an unusual and turbulent turn on yesterday as some Democrats lined up to suggest ways to defeat Zohran Mamdani, the one candidate officially running on their party's line. They are planning to contest elections as independent candidate. If elected, Mr. Mamdani would be the city's youngest mayor in a century and a big defeat for Donald Trump and his ally Netanyahu. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more vlogs. I will be waiting for your valuable feedback. Do subscribe my channel and hit bell icon if you wish to get notifications of new videos. Thank you.